Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a brand new doll from Amazon. This is from a brand called Coco, I think it's called, but I will put the link in the description. So let's take a look at this guy and see who we have inside. So he comes in this box, just like that. So he comes with a bottle, and he comes with a birth certificate. And let's get our baby out of the box. Oh, look at him. And I think his price is like around $60, but he is really, really cute. I like his coloring. He looks almost just like a real newborn baby. But let's take this net off of his head and we will get a good look at his face. Oh, look at him. Isn't he so sweet? And yeah, his coloring is really, really good. His limbs, here, I'm just going to take off his pants so you can see. So his body's cloth and his limbs are vinyl. It's a very soft vinyl, but he's got really, really nice coloring, like blushing all over. I see some modeling and some veining. He's even has some glossing on his eyes, which is really, really nice. Okay, so you want to get a look at his little feet. There's his little tiny feet. So his limbs are, his arms are full, but his legs are 3/4, so you could easily pose him. And his arms, you do have to work with them a little bit, but you could get them to pose if you wanted to. But his legs move very freely. But he's not really weighted. He's very, very light, but we will weigh him at the end of the video. But overall, I think this guy is really, really cute, and I would say he's definitely worth the $60 price tag that's on him. He's really nice quality. You could always modify him to add some weight to him, but I just think he is super, super cute, and he's very soft and very huggable. I want to give a shout out to some of my fans, Brittany B, Minerva, Alexia Lynn. Thank you so much for subscribing. I greatly appreciate you, and I love reading all of your comments. Okay, so now it's time to check to see how much this little guy weighs. Like I said, he's very light. I don't feel much weight in him. But let's see what the scale tells us. He is 1 pound, 10 ounces. Okay, so now to think of a name for this little guy. I'd love to see what you think I should name him in the comments. He's just a tiny little peanut, but I think he's just so cute. Maybe Timothy? I don't know. I'll have to think about it, but let me know what you think. And thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for more fun videos. Bye!